Introduction. Partners face each other. Boy hands down at side. Girl holds skirt. A. Starting with right, take 6 running steps forward to meet at center. Join right hands, 4 measures. B. For girl, take 3-step turn right under the arch of joined hands. Boy, pause with left foot pointed in rear, 1 measure. C. For girl, curtsy step left sideward, left arm sideward, right hand holds skirt, count 1. Point right foot in rear of left foot pointed in rear. For boy, feet together and bow to partner, arms in second position, 1 measure. Figure 2. Parayaw. Music B. Partners face each other and perform their movements simultaneously. For boy, A. With trunk bent forward and starting with right foot, take 4 waltz steps forward to meet partner at center. 4 measures. 4-step hops in place, 4 measures. Arms in lateral position with hands in closed fist position doing kumintang inward, thumbs sticking out, 8 measures. B. Take running steps moving halfway clockwise with the trunk bent to the side. Arms in third position, closed fist and thumbs sticking out, finish facing away from the audience. 4 measures. C. With right foot leading in fifth position in front, take mincing steps sideward, left. Body and arms hands position same as in B, 4 measures. D. Repeat A to C going back to proper places, 16 measures. For girl, A. Starting with right foot, take 4 waltz steps forward to meet partner at center, arms in lateral position. Do tiny steps in place, 4 measures, while doing lubay-lubay or hip sways, facing away from partner, hands holding skirt, 8 measures. C. Do tiny steps, both heels raised, in place while turning around, arms in amplified fifth position swaying sideward right and left alternately. Finish facing away from audience, 4 measures. D. Take mincing steps with both heels raised moving sideward right. Same arm movement as in B, 4 measures. D. Repeat A to C, finish in proper places, 16 measures. Figure 3 Paseo. Music C. Partners face each other. A. Starting with the right foot, take 3 steps forward to go to partner's place. Passing left shoulders. Counts 1, 2, 3. Take rocking steps starting with the left foot in front, left and right and left. Counts 1, 2, 3. 2 measures. B. Repeat A moving backward to go back to original position. Rocking steps are done with left foot backward first. Do salok with right and left arm alternately, movement to amplified fifth position for the walking steps, 1 measure, and sway hand on every count, counts 1, 2, 3. Boy's hand in closed fist position, thumb sticking out, 2 measures. C. Repeat A and B passing right shoulders, omit the rocking steps on the last 2 measures and do 3 steps turn left instead. Girl holds skirt, boy places hands on waist. Finish with a girl facing audience and boy facing away, 4 measures. D. Repeat A and B, same arm movements, 4 measures. E. Repeat D with girl facing away from audience and boy facing audience. Omit the rocking steps on the last 2 measures and do 3-step turn to the left instead. Girl holds skirt, boy places hand on waist. Finish facing each other, 4 measures. Figure 4, Parayaw. Music D. Partners face each other and do their movements simultaneously. For boy, A. With trunk bent forward and starting with right foot, move both arms in a scooping manner forward at chest level with palms facing up. Take 6 steps forward to meet partners at center, 2 measure. 6 waltz steps in place, 6 measures. Arms in lateral position with hands in closed fist position, thumbs sticking out, 8 measures. B. Execute running steps moving clockwise with trunk bent sideward, arms as in figure 2B, 8 measures. C. Take mincing steps moving diagonally sideward right with right foot leading, 4 measures, and left foot leading on the next 4 measures, turning right about, arms as in figure 2B, 8 measures. D. Repeat D going back to proper places, 8 measures. For girl, A. Take 4 wall steps moving forward to meet partner at center, arms in lateral position, 4 measures. B. Repeat figure 2B finish facing partner, 4 measures. C. Take 8 step hops turning around in place, hands doing kumintang inward right and left, 4 measures. D. Repeat the movements of the boy in CD with raised heels moving diagonally sideward. Do salok with right and left arm alternately, movement amplified 5th position when doing mincing steps, 16 measures. Figure 5, Palanat. Music B, partners facing next direction. A, facing right. Take 4 volt steps forward, arms in lateral position. Boy's position as in figure 2A, 4 measures. B, boy in a half kneeling position moving clockwise on every measure. Same arm movement as in A. Girl executes lubay-lubay as in figure 2A, 4 measures. C, repeat A and B facing the opposite direction, 8 measures. Figure 6. Music D. Dancers forming one circle facing clockwise direction. Boy places scarf around the neck. A. Take 8 volt steps moving clockwise. Arms in lateral position on the first 4 measures with boy's trunk bent forward. Hands in closed fist position, thumbs sticking out. Arms in amplified fifth position swaying right and left alternately on the last 4 measures. 8 measures. B. Repeat A moving counterclockwise. 8 measures. Figure 7, Pag-ado or Pag-inuk. Music E. A. Dancers invite the spectators' audience to take part in dancing kuratsa, 16 measures. B. Both the performers and spectators take part in doing Pag-ado or Pag-inuk, calling out a pair or members of the audience to take part as they do their improvisational performance, highlighting the different steps or movements, gestures, and arm or hand movements. And that is 32 measures. C. Depending on the mood of the performers or dancers, they may go back to the performing space and do their own highlight or improvisational performance to end the dance. 14 measures. Saludo. Partner face each other. Repeat introduction B and C. 2 measures.